Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. Yesterday we have studied about deficiency diseases, and today we are going to study about the deficiency diseases of different nutrients and what are the causes of these deficiencies. So we will start our topic from page number 18, deficiency of carbohydrates. Means what diseases can occur due to the deficiency of carbohydrates. Absence of carbohydrates in a diet leads to weakness and tiredness, because the carbohydrates are the main component of our food. It causes physical and mental stress because body is not getting proper energy that is carbohydrates provide. As you know that carbohydrates provide quick energy. A balanced intake of carbohydrate is must for a healthy person. Overeating carbohydrates on the other hand makes some people overweight and obese. Means if you are taking carbohydrates in more quantity than your requirement, then you will get more weight and become obese. Obese people have a high probability of suffering from diseases such as heart problems and diabetes. Means these people get most of the heart diseases like heart attack and other blockages and other kind of diseases that are related to heart and diabetes. They become diabetic patient because carbs mostly contain sugars, that glucose, sucrose and other type of sugars, and when the sugar level is high in the body, they will get diabetic. So now we'll take exercise. We'll take questions from exercise. So what question can we solve? We can solve define deficiency diseases. Of course, yesterday we have studied about deficiency diseases. The diseases that are you can take definition from here. The diseases caused by the lack of vitamins, minerals in a diet are known as deficiency diseases. Give examples of any two such diseases. We will study the name of a few diseases in tomorrow lecture, and we will solve the next part of this question tomorrow inshallah. What is balanced diet? You have solved this. If your diet, question number, look at the question number 4. If your diet has only carbohydrates, what will happen? We have studied today over eating carbohydrates. You have to cut these lines. On the other hand, you have to only write overeating of carbohydrates makes some people overweight and obese. Look at the question number 7. What are the factors that regulate a balanced diet? And we have studied yesterday their age, their occupation, and what we have studied. A balanced diet will vary according to the occupation, age, height and the weight of a person. Means these are the factors. You can write the answer from here on the page number 19. Points to remember: a balanced diet will vary according to the occupation, age, height and weight of a person. Look at the question number 9. What happens when we consume more carbohydrates than required? We have discussed it earlier that we will become obese and overweight. So hope you understand these questions and their answer and this today's topic. Allah Hafiz.